He'll stand tall, wrapped in green. The rivers whisper where they've been. A home alive, a peaceful dream. But the earth shakes and the cracks are seen. When the rain falls hard and the ground gives way, silent warnings lost each day. Yet we stand, we learn, we try to keep the hope alive. Rise up, rise strong, hear the call. Together we can save it all. Hold the land, protect the way, so no more hearts will break today. The trees once held the ground so tight, now they're fading from our sight. With every cut, the danger grows. The hills we love may overflow. When the rain falls hard and the ground gives way, silent warnings lost each day. And we stand, we learn, we try to keep the hope alive. Rise up, rise strong, hear the call. Together we can save it all. Hold the land, protect the way, so no more hearts will break today. We can build, we can change, we can find a better way. Listen close, hear the sound. The earth is crying, don't back down. Rise up, rise strong, hear the call. Together we can save it all. Hold the land, protect the way, so no more hearts will break today. He'll still stand, wrapped in green. A future bright, a hopeful dream. With every step, with every hand, we keep the promise to this land.